This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup so you can undo if needed. Next, move to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where pagination tools live. Click Page Number, then pick Top of Page, Bottom of Page, or Page Margins, depending on your layout. Choose a simple built-in layout to see numbers immediately. This step places a basic numeric field across pages so you can confirm spacing and style before adjusting headers, footers, or sections further. Once numbers appear, double-click the header or footer to open editing and use alignment tools for position and font choices. If you need different numbering or to skip a title page, insert a section break, next page, between sections. This isolates numbering behavior. Then use Format Page Numbers to set numbering to start at 1 or choose Roman/numeric formats. Make sure Link to Previous is toggled off in the new section, so changes don't cascade unintentionally across the whole document. To finish, exit header/footer editing and update fields by selecting the whole document Ctrl+A and pressing F9 so all page numbers refresh. Scroll through to confirm every section reflects the desired start and style. Make sure Link to Previous is off where sections differ. If numbers are incorrect, reopen Format Page Numbers and reset the start value or reapply the correct number format. A key troubleshooting tip: if numbers stay wrong, remove the section break, then reinsert it and reconfigure numbering to clear lingering links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.